I'm joking. I love this thing. It's the world's universal puzzle. And unlike most things, world hunger and COVID, there's actually a small group of people who can solve it.
And my girlfriend already can. I can't yet.
Please tell me if you know where to go from here. But maybe, like any good solution, we can do it together. And that got me thinking, how long would it take if I just lift it out to the public?
It's been about half an hour and getting particularly...
To solve any puzzle, you can't just remove a piece or change a color. It requires many eyes, different solutions, a breakthrough.
Guys, I'm gonna be honest, I think someone stole the cube.
A 1 in 42 quintillion chance that it only took an hour and 10 minutes. Imagine what else we could do if we could learn to cooperate with each other, huh? Too bad we usually see our problems like this.